Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to come back at you with another Walmart wax haul. Yes, after reading all of your comments and listening to my video again, as I said in my warm review video, I realized that I open mouth, insert foot type of situation. So thank you guys for all of your comments. A couple of you guys listed a few scents that you thought I might like. Ramona, I think you mentioned I might like Morning Bliss because I like grapefruit. I couldn't find that one, so I could not find Morning Bliss. Missy, I think, or Melissa, I think you mentioned a cherry crust type thing. I can't remember exactly what it was called. I'm probably getting all the names wrong too. I'm so sorry. You mentioned that one. I couldn't find that one. And then a lot of you guys, I think some of you guys mentioned vanilla, like vanilla crunch donuts. I might have grabbed, did I grab the vanilla buttercream? I don't know. There was a few vanillas I wanted to grab, but I had to like tone it back because I was smelling things. I finally got in the aisle and there was one other lady there, but we were like, I was like, oh, I'll take this side while you take this side. And you know, we were like working it that way so that I wasn't like in her way and trying to like stay out of her way because she looked like she knew what she was looking for and I did not. I just wanted to sniff again and not concentrate mostly on the new scents because that's kind of what I was smelling. There was a few that I still want to pick up, like some of the new scents. Like I feel like the Sugar Rush smelled good to me and the Cotton Candy Clouds. I still couldn't find Sun Drenched Linen, but I have a friend sending that to me. Thank you. If you're watching, you know who you are. So yeah, so in that warm review, I kind of go over like why I put my foot in my mouth, and thank you guys for commenting and calling me out or whatever you want to call it. I did have an opinion, and I think it's fair to like state my opinion when you're new to something, you know, you don't know all the ins and outs. But I did learn from a lot of you that this is paraffin wax. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started and tell you what I got. So this time I had a lot of time to sniff and kind of see, like, I had an idea in my head of like what I wanted to try. There's still more that I want to try, but I'm just going to start with this. So Fire Amber, and then it just says Souls Catch on Fire. And this one, when I saw amber, I was like, I love amber scents sometimes, so I grabbed this one to smell. And this is reminding me of something. I don't know if it's like, it's almost kind of got like a tobacco leaf, but I don't think it's tobacco leaf. It's just a warm, almost kind of musky scent. Warm musky is what I would say that is. Now I've never smelled amber like on its own. I've obviously had it in blends, but I've never smelled it completely on its own. So I don't know that, and that may just be a warm amber scent. Maybe amber's musky, so that's what I'm smelling. My friend, if you have not watched My Clothes Smell Like Candles, my friend Angela, she did a fun Walmart wax haul with her mom. Her mom is adorable. Her mom is so pretty. But Angela was talking about this coconut Cabana linen, and I was like, why didn't I smell that one? Because I love like linen type of, well, most linen laundry scents. And so I grabbed that one. And to me, this is a good mix of like laundry and a bit of coconut. Kind of like the coconut you would get out of like a sunscreen is what I smell. And I can't remember what Angela said about it, but I remember she commented on really liking that one. This one I've just seen in the wax YouTube community. So Pink Sugarberry, I figure I would try this. Now, one thing I didn't realize in my first video is that everything is paraffin. So sometimes on cold, paraffin is very hard to tell how it's going to emerge once you warm it up. This one reminds me of something, and what is it? Oh, I hate it when like something reminds you of something and you just cannot. This is actually really pretty. I can see mixing this with like I have an idea for a mix for this. I will warm it on its own, but it is like a sugar berry, not overly fruity. Just really pretty. So don't quite know how to describe that one, but when I warm it, I'll probably have a better review, hopefully, if I do my job correctly. Okay, this one I grabbed because I picked it up and I'm like, let me smell Meyer lemon. That just sounds good. Meyer lemon, basil, and so I don't pick any basil up in here so far, at least maybe a little bit. To me, this smells very fresh, and it's not cleaner lemon, because when I saw this, I was like, that's gonna smell like cleaner lemon for sure. But this actually smells like, you know how after you mess with a lemon and sometimes you smell your hands, or you get like a whiff of your hands and it's got that lemon scent? This is what that smells like. This is like a true lemon scent. And this one, I thought, how good would this be like on cleaning days, just to smell like a freshly cut lemon. Love that one. So that one was one that I grabbed. Okay, and then this next one is Girlfriend Night, and this says Bubbly Berry Bliss. Now this one smells, I'm pretty sure, exactly like Luna from Scentsy. Or is it Luna? It's been so long since I've had Scentsy. This one smells a lot like Luna to me. Sort of. When I first smelled this, I thought this smells very similar. I kept thinking, and I'm like, Luna. That's as close as I can get. But again, on warm, it could totally change. So Luna is, well, shoot, I don't even, I don't even know what Luna is, to be honest. But I'm sure you guys are familiar with Luna. Like, I think that's one of Scentsy's, one of its most popular scents. It's probably even still around if they're smart. Because I think like they keep their most popular scents around. Okay, and then I kept seeing people talk about strawberry pretzel bars, and I really wanted to try this one just because, well, first of all, okay, I'm gonna contradict myself here, but the picture, the picture just looks so yummy with the, I guess that's kind of like a whipped cream filling, and then the crust. Now, when I smelled this, I was disappointed. I was like, this is not, it just smells like strawberry. It just smells like it didn't smell like a fake strawberry to me, but it didn't smell like a very realistic strawberry either. So I just picked it up because I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to take a chance on this and see if maybe some scents emerge. So now on the bottom of the clam, I'm getting a different scent. It's almost like I smell like a whipped cream. I don't know. Okay, I don't know if that's how these clamshells work or not. If you can smell the bottom and smell something different, I do not know. So set that one up there. Okay. The next one I grabbed was Boardwalk. I don't know how I missed this one, but this one says Salty Breeze and Sunset Sky. So I was thinking, I was like, well, Salty Breeze, how did I miss that? Because I love like my salty sea air type scents or whatever. So there's that. This one smells very much like a soap to me. Almost like a cleaner type soap. So this one is definitely going to have to be warmed to see what comes out of this guy. Yeah, I mean, it smells like a soap, but I'm sure there's more complex notes in here than that, but I don't smell any like sort of salty sea air. Maybe a fresh air. Yeah, I don't know. I don't smell like any water notes or oceanic type things, so. Okay. So the next one I have is Mango Sorbet Limoncello, and this one just sounded good to me. I like my lemon scents every once in a while. Like I've noticed with vendor wax especially, a lot of lemons are bakery and it's hard to find, well, you do find lemonade, like I'll say that. You do find lemonade scents, but I wanted kind of like something a little bit different. And this one smells really good to me. I don't know. I was going to say like, I was going to say something, but I don't think that's it. I was going to say that it smelled like it had like a little bit of salt in it, like on the rim of the glass, but I don't think that's true. It's like a sugary lemon. I don't know if I smell mango. Maybe I'm not smelling the salt, but maybe I'm smelling like the sorbet part, you know, like the cold chilled part of it. I don't know, that one smells good to me. I like that one. Okay, this one I grabbed because I kept looking for bakery. I really wanted to like kind of dive into bakery. So I got vanilla bean butterscotch, save room for dessert. And this one smells exactly like it says. This is one of those rich vanillas that I really like. Now butterscotch is kind of iffy for me, so I was kind of like, I don't know if I need this one. But I thought it'd also make a really good blender, like mixed with coffee. I think this would be really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna, you know, mess around with that one. But I didn't smell vanilla crunch donuts, and I think I smelled vanilla buttercream, but I think it smelled kind of fake to me. But I think I was at my max for clams. I was like, okay, I don't need to go overboard this time. Let's cool it. So this next one, I heard Angela say she liked this one, so I was like, oh, screw it. This is Shangri-La, and this one I'm not sure about though. I heard her say that she liked it, and I can kind of see like it's different and it's kind of got a fresh scent, but I feel like there's something floral going on in there that I'm not gonna like. It's like maybe some sort of flower that I'm not gonna be a fan of. I wish they had like scent descriptions on here of like what you were getting. It smells okay. It's not, I don't know if it's going to be my favorite or not, but. Okay, and then I wanted to grab chilled raspberry lemonade. You guys know I love Big Top lemonade from Bathing Garden, and I also love just like plain lemonade scents. I like lemonade from Super Tarts. She has quite a few lemonade scents. I was like, oh, screw it. Let's try chilled raspberry lemonade. This is it's not, it's not as lemonade as some of the other lemonades I've had, but I think it's because the raspberry's kind of taking over a little bit. Yeah. I have a feeling this one's going to emerge a little bit more when it's warmed up. It's going to, you know, really like come out what I'm smelling. But that one to me is a little bit on the lighter side with the paraffin and stuff. This one I grabbed for my husband because it smells just like cologne. This is Stormy Indigo Seas. And would anybody else love to just be in like a house sitting on the beach with this image right here? Like, now I sort of get it where you guys were like getting on with the pictures, because I was like, as I said in my warm reviews, I was like, I had watched 6 or 7 videos in a row, and by the 7th one I was just like, but I can see where you guys get like the pictures. Like, I don't know, I need to put that on like a background screen of like my TV one day, like a thunderstorm. Do they have that on Netflix? Do they have like a thunderstorm? You know how they have the fireplace, where the fireplace just plays on your TV? I need one with like a thunderstorm. That would be fun. This to me smells like, I think my husband wore this cologne at some point. It smells like Drakkar, I think. I don't know. He hasn't had he kind of switches colognes around on me, so sometimes I don't know what he's wearing. But he liked this one, so I was like, I'll get this for you. But this to me doesn't smell anything like a stormy sea. It smells like a straight up cologne. So if you want to smell like a 16-year-old boy or a man, then I would try this one. But I wish this one was different than what it smells like. You know, I don't know. I think they could really have done something special with this one. I don't know. It just seems like it would be something, you know, Stormy Indigo Seas seems like a fun one. Okay, so that's all I have. Thank goodness, right? I don't really need that much more, to be honest. I got what, 12? Yeah, 12 clams. There was a few other ones that smelled really good, like the guava peach, I think was one of them. That smelled really nice. I really liked that one. There was the vanilla ones that I smelled that I really liked, and there were still some of the new ones that I was kind of like sniffing around thinking, like the Sugar Crush I think was one, and I should have grabbed the Cotton Candy Clouds. I'll grab those next time. And then, what was the other one? Oh, there was another one. I don't know. But there was a few that I had to like, okay, slow down. You can, you know, you have time to purchase them. I guess because Walmart wax, like you guys said in the comments, is easily accessible. yada, yada, yada. Okay, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. If you guys have any other comments, go ahead and leave them down below. You guys are very informative as far as the Walmart wax, which I am not. So inform me. Let me know if I missed anything or if you think I would like something. I know you guys did comment in the last video, but I would be interested to hear again. Sometimes I need to hear things multiple times. So just, yeah. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my friend Angela's channel, My Clothes Smell Like Candles. She had a really great one. And then Ramona had a good Walmart wax haul. And then for stuff, I don't know why I don't know her name. Wax Obsessed Forever. She didn't have a haul, I don't think, but what am I thinking of? Oh, her warm reviews. Never mind. Okay. But anyways, just go check out her channel anyways. I think her name is Ariana, I feel like. Am I pronouncing that right? Let me know if you're watching this. And I saw a few other hauls and I can't... Oh, June Mermaid. She's new to me. I just subscribed to her. She had a haul. Oh, I shouldn't have started this because now I'm going to forget people or leave people out and I'm going to feel bad. Who else? I'm forgetting now. Oh, Teresa T for 2. She had a haul. And okay, that I'm gonna stop now because I can't remember everyone and I don't want to leave anybody out, so I left you out. I'm sorry. All right, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.